Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to go over what I'm doing next to my truck. I'm going to be doing a series kind of refreshing my truck. If you guys don't know already, I have a 2019 Toyota Tacoma, and I've had it for about two and a half years now. And a lot of the stuff here in Arizona heat kind of just wear and tear on it. So I'm actually going to start this series off with a sponsored product, but I honestly believe in it. I reached out to them personally, and they decided they wanted to go ahead and work with me. So to start the series off, we're going to talk about floor mats, something that's kind of underrated, but you really honestly need. And so with that, I haven't opened the box yet, but this is a full set, front and rear floor mats that are scanned using 3D technology. I don't know how they do it. I'm not a whiz at that, but it is custom fitted and molded for the 3rd gen Tacoma. So I'm extremely excited about it, and let's go ahead and dig deep into it a little bit. So, came in a really nice box. The shipping actually came pretty fast. I've just been lazy and haven't done the video for a few days, but it came probably, I want to say, within 2 days after the order was placed. But yeah, so everything comes in. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see that. Okay, cool. Oh my gosh, that's right. Off the box aside. So they come in a really nice bag to keep everything nice and. I'll pull one of these out. Okay. Ooh. Those are actually really nice. Okay. Side note. So this looks like the driver's side, and it's actually really sturdy. So they have their logo right there. Ooh. And then the locking pin, so everything stays in place. It looks like they have channels that go off to the side. It was just what they said on the website, so we'll check that out here in a minute. So we got the front, driver's side, front passenger, oh my gosh. Looks like one big piece for their back. That's sweet. Holy cow, look at that. You will see in just a moment what I have in my truck now, and you'll understand why I've been wanting these for a long time. Okay, also why I wanted to work with LASFIT to begin with is because I've been looking for a budget option, but something that's not cheap. I don't want, because there's a fine line between budget and expensive, and like there's like the kind of middle ground. I feel like LASFIT hits that top tier of the middle ground. Only time will tell, but price wise they do, and that's what I'm looking for, because you get the cheap stuff, which is what I have in my truck currently, and it just, my carpet's always dirty, it's starting to fade in around where the floor mats are currently. And I've got a few friends that you know, they've bought the really expensive stuff, and I just honestly, the quality of those ones weren't what they thought. So I have a buddy, Downtime Lost, he has these in his truck, and I checked him out, and I honestly really liked him, so that's when I reached out. So this is what my current setup is. I've had these floor mats for a while. I've AutoZone, but as you can tell, I mean, you just look at all of the carpet space all the way around, and just how dirty it gets. And this has been cleaned once already, so I'm kind of over it. So these go into the trash, and I'll be installing these. So give me a second to get the vacuum out, and bring you right back to it. So I kind of want to show a size comparison real quick. So these are the trim to fit, and this is the, I didn't trim any of them, okay? So if you look at it, right, you've got a few inches on both sides that my floor mats haven't been covering, as well as they haven't been covering the whole, like the carpet that I kind of showed you guys before, those areas. And then here's the crazy thing is the back floor mats. That is just, to me, it baffles me that I waited this long. So let me get to the install, and I just wanted to take a quick side note and show you guys that. It's nuts. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and install the driver's side. I already installed the passenger side, but I did notice when I was installing it, it has these nice little like spikes on the bottom so it doesn't go anywhere. But anyways, so these are fitted perfectly for this. They literally just fall into place. All you gotta do is lock them into place. And they're not going nowhere. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but the mat goes over. This is one of my problem areas, was this like almost like 1.5 inches, 2 inches all the way down. And then, and also what's crazy too is, so everything that you see right there is now covered, where previously I only had like maybe half that covered. So I'm extremely happy, and I'm gonna go ahead and install the back one, and I'll take you guys along with me. Okay, so now for the back part. I highly suggest, if you guys don't already know, push the seats forward, lean them back. It makes this process a whole lot easier. I really need a deep clean, so after this video, I'm more likely gonna deep clean, but it's extremely easy. And they fit super nice. So like just like the front, they fit over the trim molding, which is really nice. The center, and they say kind of let it be in the heat and it'll form even better. So I'm gonna take their word for it. I mean, they're the professionals here. So, but yeah, I mean, now like where before I had a small square, probably about 1 foot to 1/2 foot, covering a huge back section. Now I have everything covered, including going under the seats, like almost to the front. Ooh, bottle cap, cool. But yeah, so there is no locking mechanism for the back, at least not on my truck, which is why they have the blank covers, so nothing gets underneath there. And now you have so much more of your truck bed covered. Thanks guys for sticking around. I really do appreciate it. If you're gonna be like me and get rid of these old nasty things and not spend an arm and a leg on quality, washable, fitted floor mats, check out LASFIT's website. I'll leave a link below for that and the floor mats itself. I do have an affiliate link with them, so I do get a little bit of kickback. And this video was, or this product was given to me. So I just wanna make that very clear. But use code DIRTREMEDY at checkout on their website and get 15% off. I'm not gonna be backing companies that I do not personally trust or want. I do have other products from LASFIT. That's why I reached out to them personally. So I've got a few series coming up. The rig walkthrough series, I have 2 videos on currently. I have 2 awesome trucks I'm gonna be working with here in the near future. I'm doing a full walkthrough, and these guys, I'm telling you, their trucks are awesome and they're very unique. It's not another Jeep or Toyota. So keep that in mind. Subscribe and like this channel so you can see more content on that series. I'm also gonna be doing this series of the rig refresh. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of things to my truck to kind of bring it up to date and all that. This weekend, I'm actually gonna be going up to Overland Expo as an attendee. But I do want, I'm gonna be shooting two different videos. I'm gonna do one of the expo, and I'm gonna be doing the travel video and camping up there. I'm gonna be going out with Offroad Outpost. Check out his channel. I'll tag him below as well. He's got an awesome rig, and he's working with Onyx. So check out that. I'm not gonna spoil it too much other than that. So guys, chase the horizon, and thanks for watching.